Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Nintendo Switch profile and signing into Fortnite. Open the main menu, choose Account or Settings, then select Manage Account to reach Epic Games options. Once there, make sure your email and password are accessible. You may need to verify via email. You should enable two-factor authentication for safety, because anonymous play still links to an account. Next, move to Privacy options. This is where you change visibility. Keep the Switch connected to the internet while you proceed. Now focus on the privacy controls inside your Epic account from the browser or in-game link. You will change display name visibility. Choose Friends or Private to hide you from strangers. This limits how your name appears in lobbies. Then disable cross-platform friend requests and social features so other platforms cannot find you. Once done, confirm save changes and log out, then back in on the Switch. This forces Fortnite to refresh account data and apply the new anonymous settings immediately. Finish by restarting Fortnite and the Nintendo Switch so all privacy updates take effect. You should join a casual match and check how your name and friend visibility appear. This verifies anonymity. If your name still shows or friend requests continue, make sure changes were saved in the Epic account and then clear the Switch cache or unlink and relink the Epic account in settings. One key tip: if cross-platform features persist, remove linked accounts temporarily and repeat privacy steps to enforce anonymity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.